Hang on. No.
Oh,
Wait.
Annie, wait.
Oh. Where'd he go?
I don't know.
Stop, don't move. We don't want to step on him. Where'd he go?
I don't know.
Oh, jeepers, where'd it go? It was so cute.
I know.
Watch where you're
Is that
stepping.
it right there?
Where? I can't.
Right over there.
It's like green, and it's very small.
That might be one.
Where
was he?
It's right there. No, maybe not. Am I wrong?
Nope, that's him.
Don't
That's him.
put it in the net.
I need the light.
Put it in my net. Put it in my net.
We want to let him crawl on mommy. Look.
I want
Okay,
to.
hang on,
I want
hang
him
on.
to
Annie,
come
wait,
on me.
baby.
Hang on. He's
Here, can I hold him?
probably not.
The official move.
Okay, back up a little bit with your light, Annie.
Because I don't want him to jump away.
Can I touch him?
You can, yes.
can.
Get your finger in there and touch.
What are they cute? What do they feel like? They're really
Go ahead.
cute. They look.
Okay. Where's Frog Dawn?
Foggy, Donnie. Frog Donnie.
Annie, be careful.
Is that right there?
Let's go.
Huh?
Let's go along over here.
Where's Frog Dawn?
We caught a little guy right here. If you want to see him. We caught a little guy. If you want to see him.
I need a light, Daddy.
Hold him down a little bit.
Wait, guys, look. They caught something.
Yeah.
Tiny.
Careful, Annie.
Oh, tiny frog.
Yep.
Aww, it's a tiny frog.
Okay.
Let's go show her tree frog. Mommy, go show her to Frog Dawn.
Wow.
And he's a jumper.
Okay, go
Very
show
teeny
it to Frog
tiny.
Dawn.
Very teeny tiny.
Can I
Okay.
hold him? He's way over there. I want to hold him.
Okay, then give me your flashlight. Oh, he's
You know
gonna
what? If
jump
he
away.
gets away, he gets away.
If he gets away, he's supposed to
Fine.
get away.
Oh, he's on your
Okay, hang on. Hang on, now let's give Emma a turn. Let's give Emma a turn.
No, I don't want it to. I don't. No.
No?
He feels
Daddy?
good. Can I have
Look at his little feet. Can you see his little feet?
tiny feet?
Okay, Annie, you want him back?
Yeah. Okay, Annie gets to hold him. No, I don't want to. Mommy holds him until he gets fogged on.
I don't know that
I think we should let him go.
No, I want
didn't
to
she
show.
want them?
No, she
Yeah.
wants tadpoles.
Didn't she want to show anybody? No?
Yeah, I want to show her.
Okay, well then here's the deal. Somebody take the flashlight.
I want-
Look at my flashlight.
Grab
Right
it.
here. Somebody walk
the
me
net.
over to Frog Dawn.
Okay, come on, Mom. This way. Keep on going.
Okay.
Follow